The lucky break. Understanding turn of luck in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically the phrase, turn of luck. Have you ever experienced an unexpected change in your circumstances, especially for the better? Well, that's what we're going to explore. Get ready to add another expression to your English repertoire. A turn of luck refers to a sudden change in someone's situation, usually from bad to good. It's like the universe has flipped a switch and things start to go your way when you least expect it. This phrase can be used in both personal and professional contexts, and it's a positive and hopeful expression. The phrase, turn of luck, originates from the concept of fortune being variable and changing. It's similar to the turn of a wheel. Sometimes you're at the top, and sometimes at the bottom. This section could delve into the historical usage of the phrase and how it reflects the belief in luck and fortune. Let's put turn of luck into action. Here are a few examples. After months of hard times, he finally experienced a turn of luck when he landed a great job. The team's turn of luck came when they scored a winning goal in the last minute of the game. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe a positive and often sudden change in circumstances. When using turn of luck, it's important to remember that it connotes a positive change. It's not used for a change from good to bad. That would be a stroke of bad luck, or turn for the worse. Keep the context optimistic and expectant of good things. And that's a wrap on turn of luck. I hope this video has shed some light on this hopeful English expression. Remember, language learning is full of surprises, just like a turn of luck. Keep practicing, and who knows what good fortune your English journey will bring.